Hey guys, welcome in this channel again. Okay, so in the previous lecture we already discussed all the things about the hello world, as you can see on this screen. Okay, so but I want to discuss more on it actually. We'll discuss later in component section also, but for only 2 minutes just watch what I'm trying to do here. Okay, just to watch. So this is, as you can see, when your project will run, this index.js file will automatically run, right? So this render the component and make this component as a root component, right? So I don't want to use this component actually here. So what you will try, what you will do, right? So you can just simply write like const, okay, and just put the name here like app. I'm doing like I just want to use this app name here. Okay, so I just want to use this hello world same here. Okay, okay, so as you can see like this. Okay, cool, cool, cool here. Okay, so I want to show this hello world on this um, this here. This is this browser screen, right? So what you will do right here. Yeah. So what you can do here, like if you will use like this, you know, self closing braces you can see here, you cannot use like this because this is not a component. This is as you can see, this is a concept variable you are using here, right? So you cannot use this like this. So if you will use this, then you will get here get this error on browser, right? So just remove this here and you can see on the screen this hello world on the screen. Okay, this is as simple as you're thinking. This is as much simple. Okay, this is very much easy as you cannot think actually. Okay, okay, so we are not going to use this here. This is just used for your demonstration type of thing. Just cool. Okay, so yeah, so going to the concept on component, right? So before going to the component, I want to just clear you the structure of React.js. Okay, just simply you can see here, this is three folder. When you will create your project using create react app, you will get three folders: node module, public, src, and this get ignore package.json, readme file, and yarn.log file. Okay, so in this four file, you can see here the second one, this package.json is most important file here. So as you can see in this, there are some script and the dependencies here. Already you can see here, this is the React. Actually we are using the 16.9.0 latest version. So this is the React, this is the dependencies as you can see here, right? And this is some of the script, like when you want to run your project, you use like npm start. Okay, so npm and the yarn both are two online repositories. So whether you can use npm, whether you can use yarn. So if you're using yarn, so just use like npm start or npm build or npm test or npm eject. This is some of the script. So I'm using this npm start, so this will automatically start your script, and using this script you can just run your project, right? Okay, this is cool thing actually. Okay, then this git ignore is nothing here. We'll discuss more in this later when we will get discuss on git and all. Okay, so this is src folder. Okay, so this src is basically what this is. Basically you have the index.js file. I already discussed on this, like this is component, and this component making root component, and we have several components in React.js, and maybe the root component contain many nested component, and component also have two types. One is the functional based component, another one is the class based component. Okay, so we will discuss later more in this, but before this we need to understand the structure here. This is index.css. Whatever you are writing here, like, okay, you can use the styling also here, like you can see index.css. You can use this file. This file is used to use for styling here. Okay, this is as similar as app.js. So .js is mean a JavaScript file, right? So you can see here, this is the functional based component we are using here, and this is a very simplest code, and this is .js JavaScript file. Okay, and you can see here, this is I'm importing my CSS from app.css. Okay, cool guys. Okay, so next in this we have a public section. In this we can see like index.html file. As you can see, we are using JavaScript, but we are putting all the things in this browser using this index.html file. How? So you can see here, this is div id root div, right? So this is the root id. So this is as similar as you are using here root id. Then only you can uh, uh, putting your component. Sorry, my phone is ringing here actually. Sorry. Okay, so you can use this id root here, and using this root id you can only put your component on this browser screen. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. In the next lecture we will discuss on components. Thank you so much.